T-129's entry into a movie would be the blockbuster of the year. A round of applause for this amazing crew piloting this magnificent machine. Any moment from now, as you can see, the helicopter is lifting up into the graceful over. Watch closely as it executes hot stunts. This phase of the maneuver is to provide your excellency and a highly esteemed guest with optimal view of its aerodynamic design and maneuverability. And I bet you that today, and not tomorrow, you will witness firsthand the agility and precision of the T-129 ATAK helicopter. Be advised that this is not just your average helicopter. It's a versatile mission. Like someone once said, the T-129 is like a superhero by day and a crowd-fighting, terror-busting machine by night. Now to the highlight of today's display. The aircraft is taken to the skies, showcasing its aerobatic growth. Brace yourselves for a series of thrilling maneuvers that underscore the helicopter's versatility and advanced capabilities. From wingovers to shanders to nosedives, as you can see, the T-129 is set to give you a treat. Now it's becoming scary. The helicopter would be executing a wingover, and this means that it is going to fly very low to the ground and thereafter initiate an abrupt pitch-up attitude to climb while its speed reduces to minimum. This allows the helicopter to turn around very quickly to attack or evade a target. What you're witnessing is still a showcase of its agility in very steep course. The wingover, as earlier mentioned, is usually employed to surprise the adversary while leaving them with little to no response time. Ladies and gentlemen, it's mighty interesting to know that the Chief of the Air Staff has set forth command philosophy to transform the Nigerian Air Force into an agile and resilient force, capable of meeting the ever demands of national security in all operational environments. Today, we are witnessing this philosophy come to life in the display of agility and resilience by the T-129 ATAK helicopter. As it showcases its maneuverability effortlessly, navigating the skies with precision and finesse. Please a resounding applause for this crew. As we watch the helicopter dance through the skies, let it be a testament to the Nigerian Air Force's commitment to agility. That is the ability to adapt swiftly to the dynamic challenges. Any moment from now, we'll transit to a simulated tactical scenario that underscores the operational effectiveness of our Air Force. Here we would witness how this helicopter would be integrated with other fleets in the Nigerian Air Force. A variant of the King F-360 Beechcraft, which was just inducted today, is one of the platforms used by the Nigerian Air Force for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. In other words, ISR. For today's tactical scenario, the ISR platform has just identified a high-value target, which in this case could be terrorists, bandits, kidnappers, or oil facility bandits. The location of the target has been communicated to the component commander, that is the air component commander. And after confirmation of the target for possible strike, a careful weapon to target matching was done. And the first package for this mission would be the F-799 and the JF-17 fighter jet for air interdiction. While the T-129 helicopter would provide close air support for the ground forces, which could either be the Army or the Navy. With precision strikes, the jets are expected to carry out air interdiction to neutralize the adversary stronghold, paving way for the next phase, which would be quick strike of the remnant adversary. Wow! Oh my God! Wow! Now it's lonely and top. No money on their mind, just the passion for the nation and love for humanity. Ladies and gentlemen, A resounding applause for the Scorpions. That was an amazing performance from the crew. To take the stage any moment from now to commence this scenario is the Thunder, showcasing the combat prowess of the majestic aircraft. Please keep your attention to your 12 o'clock. In any moment from now, the Thunder will be running. You are advised not to get scared. And for all that you have witnessed today, please do not try them at home. There is a true thunderstorm in the sky. It has just destroyed part of the adversary's gas and made an evasive maneuver to avoid surprises from the adversary. Next, ladies and gentlemen, prepare for a sonic boom! For our guests, the F799 prides itself what they call sign Tiger because it roars through the skies with the might of 100 tigers. It has completely destroyed the remaining makeshift settlements of the adversary. Now the T-129 attack in its closest support role has just running, paving the way for our gallant troops of the ground forces. The T-129 has just wiped out the remaining of the adversary. From there, it moves to remain overhead the ground troops to provide armed escort for them. Watch as our gallant troops move in for assault and mop-up of what is the remnants of the criminals. Obviously, the T-129's area cover and tactical positioning is very crucial as it escorts them to their objectives. Ladies and gentlemen, it's not just a ground assault, it's a synchronized dance of precision and bravery. The sequence of bombardment and thunderous roar from the fighter jets and the presence of the Scorpions overhead has boosted the morale of our elite ground troops. Now the troops have assaulted and arrested the remnants of the terrorists and they are moving out with the aircraft following closely behind to provide direct fire support. If you look directly above you, you will see the JF-17 maintaining a vigilant overwatch and ensuring comprehensive surveillance and security. Seamless integration of ground and air units exemplify the synergy required for successful missions. Can we give another resounding applause for the successful mop-up and arrest of the remnant terrorists? This marks the conclusion of this dynamic scenario. Today, we witness not just a display, but a symbol of the embodiment of our nation's strength and the commitment of the Nigerian Air Force in safeguarding our dear nation. As our aircraft gracefully returns to the ground, let's salute the dedication, the skill, and courage of our Air Force. Your Air Force. Please, another resounding applause. The helicopters demonstrated not only its own resilience, but also symbolized the Nigerian Air Force's determination to withstand and overcome several challenges. This aircraft, just like our Air Force, is built to endure, ensuring the security of our nation. The breathtaking maneuvers we have just witnessed serve as a visual representation of the T-129 Aircraft's vision, one that is not only agile in its response, but resilient in the face of adversity. Today's display is more than just reflection. It is a reflection of the dedication and determination of the Nigerian Air Force to safeguard to records. This Turkish T-129 helicopter is piloted by the Nigerian Air Force as a formidable addition to the fleet, and it was developed training by Turkish aerospace industry and the development